Now listen to part of a lecture on the topic you just read about.
While driverless cars seem to have vast benefits, I think we are overestimating the capabilities of technology. Driverless cars may be entering a precarious level of development, and there are potential risks that need to be scrutinized. Despite its high-level programming, a driverless car can still face unexpected, or undesirable events. Sensor failures can happen under severe weather conditions, and software glitches, and errors can occur, which can lead to physical damage, or harm. These malfunctions in driverless cars can threaten passenger safety, so it will be too quick to judge and say that these cars will save millions of lives. Well, it's true that driverless cars will possibly reduce travel time, with detailed mapping system, but this advantage will apply to some parts of the world. For driverless cars to operate properly, high-tech GPS mapping and cutting-edge computers will be needed. Developed and wealthy countries already have state-of-the-art technologies, but other parts of the world are not quite ready for that advancement. And you can guess what this will bring about. Yes, it will exacerbate economic inequality. And not only that, driverless cars are highly dependent on computers, so they will be prone to hackers and cyber criminals. Keeping data safe from hacking will all amount to extra costs. Indeed, driverless cars will benefit seniors and children, as mentioned in the reading, but sadly, not everyone will be happy with the existence of driverless cars. Driverless cars could leave 1/3 of the population jobless. Professions that require driving will become obsolete, and people will no longer need the service of taxi drivers, truck drivers, chauffeurs, or even pilots. The rise in unemployment rate from driverless cars will seriously impact the economic growth of some countries. And even worse, this could bring out larger socio-psychological problems, since involuntary job loss and unemployment will cause huge devastation and stress in individuals.